If you want to set custom keyboard theme on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open settings. In the settings, scroll down a little bit until you find system option. And then over here go to keyboard. Now we can go on screen keyboard and then Gboard. Over here we can find theme, and in order to create your own theme, press this plus button. Now we can choose the photo that we wish to use as a background. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can zoom in and zoom out, move up and down, left and right to adjust the photo, and then we can press next. You can also adjust the brightness of the photo as well, as you can see over here. So we should be able to move left and right to adjust the brightness, and then press done. Besides that, we can turn on or off keyboarders, and we can press apply in the bottom right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.